Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is the 12th January 2024. So before we generate today's demand and supply zones, let us evaluate the performance of high liquidity zones generated in our yesterday's report. Even before that, in case if this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing a complete free training on supply demand zone price action course, and all the training videos are available at our YouTube channel. You can visit NeoStock YouTube channel, click on the home page, and then scroll down to the playlist Supply Demand Zone Price Action course. So click on this playlist. You will be able to access all the training videos starting from lesson 1.1 until the most recent lesson. This is the lesson 1.1 and lesson 14 is the recent one. And even all the upcoming lessons also will be placed under this playlist. I'm also providing the link to this playlist in this YouTube video description. And also I'm providing the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. There you can find the links to all the earlier videos. So please make use of this opportunity and strengthen your skills in demand and supply zone price action. Now let us get into our analysis part. Yesterday we identified 3 high liquidity zones. The first one is Crampton. Prices haven't entered into this high liquidity daily supply zone. This is a daily high liquidity supply zone. We have fine tuned inside with 75 minutes. Let me show you how I fine tuned. So inside the daily, we have identified this 75-minute zone, and inside the 75 minutes, the 15-minute zone is identified, and this is already tested, so we cannot plan any trade in this. So even prices also did not enter into this zone. Just showing you how we fine-tuned the zone. The next one is IZL, Indraprastha Gas Limited. And this is a 75 minutes high liquidity zone. And even here we didn't plan any trade, even though I fine-tuned. The reason is the zones are not, the fine-tuned zones are not good. Price structure is not good. They will be easily violated. So let me show you. Because it's 75 minutes, we should look for a fresh 15-minute zone. See here we have a rally candle, 2 base candles and drop candle. This is the 15 minutes area. Or you can consider this is a leg candle. Then we have only 1 base candle and drop candle. That means drop base, drop. So either way you can plan. And even one more zone is there, drop, 3 base candles and a drop. So this is another way, another 15 minutes. That means we have identified 2 15 minutes. But both these 15-minute zones, price structures are not good. And you will understand that if you go to 5 minutes time frame. So I am changing the time frame to 5 minutes. Look into the 5-minute zone inside the 15 minutes area. See here you have a drop, 2 base candles, and then you have a rally, drop base rally. After this rally candle, again there is a drop candle. So where is the base? Where is the base candle? So it is only a pivot. This zone is having a pivot. 15 minutes time frame, it looks like a zone. But the real price structure we are able to see at 5 minutes time frame. So that's why this zone will be violated easily. That is what happened today. Easily the zone is violated. So that's why we should not plan. When you know a zone will be violated, you should never plan a trade. Even look into this zone. All these are all base candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You have a drop, all these base candles, again a drop. This zone also will be violated. But previously, see, there are prices went down and entered into this area and came down. And again, second time also prices entered and came down. That means there are some pending orders are there, institutional pending orders. But anyway, even then if it is, first of all, structure is not good. It is already tested. So that's why we can't plan a trade even in this zone. Today prices did not enter into the second zone area. Otherwise, even it would have been violated. Anyway, this is not, IGL is not a good stock for planning our trades because the price structure is not good. That way we didn't get the trade. And the last one is Indigo. Indigo is a 75-minute supply zone. We have a rally base drop. And this way I have fine-tuned to the 15 minutes time frame. In the 15 minutes time frame, if you look into this, you have a rally candle, 3 base candles and a drop candle. Within this area, again fine-tuned to I'm showing you the 5 minutes, I'm sorry. This is the one. We have a rally candle, we have a base candle and a drop candle. This is the 15 minutes area. So this 15 minutes area fine-tuned to 5 minutes. We have a rally candle, 2 base candles and a drop candle. So we have fine-tuned. And today prices entered into this zone, but it happened during the last hour of the trading. We can say almost during last half an hour of the trading day. Prices entered into this zone. Previously I told you, if anybody wants to plan your trades during last 1 hour, obviously you have to set your targets to 5 minutes time frame. But already we have a 15 minutes target, drop, base, rally. Even 5 minutes zone is also confluence with this 15 minutes. Show you the 5 minutes. See here, you have a rally, base, rally. Or you can take rally, base, rally. This is having confluence. So that is the reason why 15 minutes or 5 minutes, it doesn't make any difference in setting the target. So prices entered and reached the target. But remember, the RR is very limited here. It's only 1:2 trade, not even exactly 1:2, close to 1:2, this trade. So that way Indigo, okay, this is not a good trade. And secondly, during intraday we won't take the trades. Even if anyone has taken trade in the futures and you squared off after it reaches the target, you would have got 4,485 rupees profit, which is 2.64% ROI, return on the investment, as per one future slide. But generally risk point of view, we don't take trade. I am just evaluating the high liquidity zone performance point of view. Maybe it may not be your accepted trade, but how high liquidity zones are working, for their performance point of view, we can consider this trade, not for our real trading. Just to check the performance of the high liquidity zone. High liquidity zone done its job. Once prices entered into the zone, see how it pushed the prices down. See the huge rejection. After that, a drop candle entered into the demand zone. Now demand zone slightly pushed. That is the during the last 15 minutes of the trading session. Whether it is in early in the morning or whether it is in the closing hours or whether it is in the middle of the trading day, our high liquidity zones are doing their job. They are trying to push the prices down. That way, Indigo is a successful trade for high liquidity zones point of view. But for us, it is not an acceptable trade because RR is not good. At least 1 is to 2.5 is preferable, but 1 is to 2 or even a little less than 1 is to 2, it may not be a good trade. So these are that means we didn't have any successful, we didn't have any executed trade today as per our yesterday's high liquidity zones. So now let us generate demand and supply zones based on our today's data. So starting from yearly time frame, let us find the stocks near yearly demand zone. No stocks are there. Let's go back. Yearly time frame, let us find the stocks near yearly supply zone. So no stocks are there. Let us change the time frame to half yearly time frame. Let us find the stocks near half yearly demand zone. So no stocks are filtered. And half yearly time frame, let us find the stocks near half yearly supply zone. So one stock is filtered. Let's go back. Let us change the time frame to quarterly time frame. Let us find the stocks near quarterly demand zone. No stocks are filtered. Quarterly time frame, let us find the stocks near quarterly supply zone. So two stocks are filtered. Let's go back. Let us change the time frame to monthly. Let us find the stocks near monthly demand zone. So three stocks are filtered. Let's go back. For monthly time frame, let us find the stocks near monthly supply zone. No stocks are filtered. Let's go back and change the time frame to weekly time frame. And let us find the stocks near weekly demand zone. So only one stock is filtered, which is near weekly demand zone. Let's go back. For weekly time frame, let us find the stocks near weekly supply zone. Now 5 stocks are filtered. So these 5 stocks are near weekly supply zone. Let's go back and change the time frame to daily time frame. Entry time frame is daily. Let us find the stocks near daily demand zone. So 10 stocks are filtered. So we have to identify high liquidity demand zone from this list. We have Glenmark is there, which is a high liquidity demand zone. And then Mannapuram is not acceptable, it is already pierced. So we have only one high liquidity demand zone, that is Glenmark. So let's go back. For entry time frame daily, let us find the stocks near daily supply zone. 7 stocks are filtered. Let us look for high liquidity supply zones. Crompton, GNFC is there, high liquidity supply zone. SBI Life is already pierced, so we can't take. So that means we have two high liquidity zones, Crompton and GNFC. So let's go back. Let us change the time frame to 125 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 125 minutes demand zone. So this is the filtered list. Total 22 stocks are near 120. Sorry, this is inside demand zone. We have selected the wrong option. We have to find near 125 minutes demand zone. So 7 stocks are filtered. So let's go back. 125 minutes time frame. Let us find the stocks near 125 minutes supply zone. So 7 stocks are filtered. Let's go back and change the time frame to 75 minutes time frame. Entry time frame is 75 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 75 minutes demand zone. So 5 stocks are filtered. Let us check any high liquidity 75 minute zones. We have Godrej Properties is there. This is a high liquidity zone and a fresh zone. And we have one more sale is there. Sale is already tested 3 times. So you need to look for a fresh 15 minute zones. So total we have identified 2 high liquidity zones. One is Godrej Properties and another one is sale. High liquidity 75 minutes demand zones. So let's go back. Let us for 75 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 75 minutes supply zone. 7 stocks are filtered. Let us find the high liquidity supply zones. Nifty Pharma, it is an indices. Canara Bank is there. It is already tested 3 times and 6 rejections are there. So we should be very careful. We have to identify a fresh 15 minute zone to plan our trades. And even Zydus Life is there. This is already tested once earlier. This is also high liquidity. So total we have identified 2 high liquidity supply zones, Canara Bank and Zydus Life. High liquidity 75 minute supply zones. Okay, let's go back. Let us change the time frame to 25 minutes time frame. Let us find the stocks near 25 minutes demand zone. These 6 stocks are filtered. Let's go back. For 25 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 25 minutes supply zone. These 10 stocks are filtered. So let's go back, change the time frame to 15 minutes time frame. Let us find the stocks near 15 minutes demand zone. So these 3 stocks are filtered. So let's go back, 15 minutes time frame. Let us find the stocks near 15 minutes supply zone. So these 10 stocks are filtered. So let's go back. Let us change the time frame to 5 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 5 minutes demand zone. So these 4 stocks are filtered. So let's go back. 5 minutes time frame. Let us find the stocks near 5 minutes supply zone. So these 8 stocks are filtered. So these are the stocks near demand and supply zones for all the time frames. I wish this information is useful to you. Let us meet again in our next video. Thank you.